Fashion for me is a style statement that helps you enhance your personality and individuality without saying anything by the kind of clothes you wear. So, fashion for me is showing the world who you are without saying anything.
Okay, apart from the three criteria, the three things which you normally look into whenever you're doing the audition of a model, what Priya look into being on a seat of a judge?
I honestly look at the confidence level because I feel that what you require most in a model is a confidence, or for that matter, anybody who's wearing designer clothes. If you have the confidence, you can rock a towel also. If you don't have a confidence, you will not be able to take forward an outfit for 20 lakhs also. So for me, the biggest thing to see in a model or any of my clients or celebrities is confidence. That whatever you should wear, you should have the confidence, and you should feel you should make it your own, like it's second skin to you.
Is it the case same with Priya Kataria for the confidence as you are part of Ranveer, designing for Priyanka Chopra and Mahi Gill?
Yes, I think confidence is very important. Yes, you're right about that because I've never done films. And to tell you the truth, from the very beginning when I got onto the Zanjeer sets, I was extremely confident. I was not at all nervous, what am I going to do, how am I going to do, because I'm confident of my craft. I know that I'm capable of designing because I'm very passionate about it. I may have studied fashion, but it comes naturally to me. So I think in any job that you do well, confidence is very important.
What Apurva brief about Priyanka's character in the film? Did he had a discussion with you before?
Oh yeah, I mean this Zanjeer is 100% Apurva Lakhia's film. It's his vision, his entire way of looking at it. And yes, we had discussions for months before the shoot. I think we shot for her in November. But we discussed her character for 2 months ahead of time, where he sent me the script, we read the script, we made almost 6 different character sketches that should we go this way, should we go this way, and finally we came to a conclusion that we should go this way, and then we discussed it with Priyanka. Even Priyanka played a very important role because she's playing that character, how she perceived it. So it was a combination, definitely the director's vision and also Priyanka's comfort level, and of course my professional inputs.
Okay, as you said, Priyanka, playing the Priyanka the part of the film, though she is, tell us about how many looks we're going to see.
You are going to see actually 3 different looks for Priyanka because there's a transition she goes in her character. The first half of the film has her in playing an NRI. So you will see a very sophisticated high fashion diva, okay, who throws her weight around. And then the second part of the film, the middle part of the film, has her like a scared girl, very unsure. And the last part of the film has her as a very confident, secure Indian woman who's fallen in love. So her character actually goes through 3 different looks in terms of clothing, because of course, when your attitude towards life changes, your clothes also change. As I said to you, style is nothing but taking forward your personal individuality. So when she comes, initially she plays an NRI, so she's like a spoiled rich girl. So we've shown her like that.
Mahi Gill, do you think it was a challenge, though Mona Darling, everyone knows it.
Mona Darling was iconic. I mean, I loved Binduji for that. Yeah. First of all, Mahi is an impeccable actress. She takes her craft very seriously. It was very exciting for me because Mahi has never been presented in that way. So I prefer people like that. I prefer people with a blank canvas. So then I can draw what I want to draw, and if they are good actors, they take it like a sponge. So it was really a lot of fun and very easy to do looks for Mahi because she said to me, Priya, you do what you want to do. You want to color my hair, you want to cut my hair. So we actually had a full transition on her. We colored her hair, she'd never colored her hair, she'd never worn heels. We got custom shoes and heels made for her, which was 7 to 8 inches high, to give her that diva look. We made her wear everything from a swimsuit to a see-through kaftan to sexy tight dresses. But we presented her in a very classy, sophisticated way, though she's playing the mole's girlfriend. So she's kind of presented in a very sensuous, sexy of today's fashion. The fashion trends that you see in 2013. She's leading a high life, so we've shown her as a diva.
What message do you want to give to all the fashion freaks? what they'll be getting apart from the performance of the artist in Zanjeer?
The film is a great film. Apurva has done a fabulous job in the look of the film. The promos are going to start now on the 6th of July. Ram Charan, I have not designed clothes for Ram Charan, but he's a superstar from the south, and he's a superstar for a reason. He's extremely dynamic. And I think in Zanjeer, what people are going to see an amazing fresh pairing of Ram Charan and Priyanka. They will see Priyanka in a different avatar in terms of her acting skills also. She plays her role fabulously well. They will see Mahi Gill in a completely different divalicious role, which they've never seen. The dialogues of the films are mind-blowing. Like, I remember when I was reading the script, I was rolling on the floor. It was funny, it was quirky. At the same time, it's a very emotional film.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So we're done?
Yeah, thank you so much.